She's the first one that's come out. I'm gonna open the door. Let's see when the others come out. And this one, she likes scratching. Sy's baie oulik. Sy's 'n goeie werker. Hier kom sy. Hier kom hulle, hier kom hulle. Huh? Die son gaan nou opkom. Ah, gaan nie aan. Hy is die eerste. Hy het nie gekraai vanoggend nie. En ek het vir hulle musiek gespeel. He loves music. Hey, here they come. Sy's lyk my versigtig. As hulle klaar op die stomp, ek het geweet hulle gaan dit geniet. Hier kom sy. Kom. Kom. Come on. Kom. Come on. Yeah, the chickens are going to work this garden. They're going to love it. There's plenty worms and insects and all kinds of goodies. Lots of protein. I think chickens are actually dragons. They love meat. They're actually carnivores. They love meat. Huh? Wow, this is my dream come true. This is exactly what I've envisaged. I had to cover the bottom because the little ones, they escaped. I have to put a finer system here. Come on, come, 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 come on, come.